back to my channel to learn some daily use short English sentences, 3-word sentences. We can use these sentences in our daily life. So, without wasting our time, let's begin. ये वाला आजमाओ. Try this one. Try this one. इसे बंद कर दो. Shut it off. Shut it off. समझाने की कोशिश करो. Try to explain. Try to explain. आओ मिले सबसे. Come meet everybody. Come meet everybody. रुको थोड़ा. Wait a bit. Wait a bit. राम ज़्यादा स्मार्ट है. राम इज स्मार्टर. राम इज स्मार्टर. धीरे से पीछे घूमो. टर्न अराउंड स्लोली. टर्न अराउंड स्लोली. अरे मेरा ले लो. जस्ट टेक माइन. जस्ट टेक माइन. मेरा ज़्यादा अच्छा है. माइन इज बेटर. माइन इज बेटर. अब जाने दो. नाउ लेट गो. नाउ लेट गो. कोई कुछ नहीं जानता. Nobody knows anything. Nobody knows anything. वापस अंदर आ जाओ. Come back inside. Come back inside. चाबियां ले आओ. Bring the keys. Bring the keys. उसे यहाँ ले आओ. Bring that here. Bring that here. बच्चों को जगा दो. Wake the kids. Wake the kids. अपनी आँखें पोंछ लो. Dry your eyes. Dry your eyes. समय कीमती है. Time is precious. Time is precious. कोई ध्यान नहीं देगा. Nobody will notice. Nobody will notice. कभी भी आशा मत छोड़ना. Never lose hope. Never lose hope. सब बंद कर दो. Turn everything off. Turn everything off. मुझे बात खत्म करने दो. Let me finish. Let me finish. अब जाओ अभ्यास करो. Now go practice. Now go practice. अब आगे बढ़ो. Now move on. Now move on. कभी पीछे मुड़कर मत देखना. Never look back. Never look back. मेरी राय मानो. Take my advice. Take my advice. उस पर दबाव डालना बंद करो. Stop pressuring her. Stop pressuring her. मेरे पीछे रहना. Stay behind me. Stay behind me. कुछ काम आ गया था. Something came up. Something came up. खुद को तकलीफ देना बंद करो. Stop torturing yourself. Stop torturing yourself. घर पर कोई नहीं था. Nobody was home. Nobody was home. रास्ता दिखाओ. Lead the way. Lead the way. कुछ नहीं बदला है। Nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. अब मजे लो। Now have fun. Now have fun. सीधे होकर बैठो। Sit up straight. Sit up straight. फिर से बोलना। Say it again. Say it again. I hope this video is helpful for you. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Thank you.